Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be playing some Bed Wars, and yeah, I will see you there. Oopsie doodles, forgot about something. Okay, one sec. Okay guys, I'm sorry about that. I just had to get into an awesome round. Aww, now I have to quit. Okay, sorry, I just had to quit. My bad. Here we go, a new map. Oh, sorry if it's really glitchy. Yeah guys, I'm gonna be playing with no one. I wish we could do solos on the awesome map, but I guess we can't. But that is okay because I really don't care. Guys, I'm gonna, I guess, try to do a troll challenge. I don't know if I can do it anymore because I am 8 years old. Oh well, but I think I need this. Maybe this for now, just so I can maybe get up here, cause I've really never. So what's up here? Whoa, boys! Wait, is there any chance for me to grab this? Well, I mean, probably not. But that's okay with me. I just wanna check what was up here. Yeah, nothing much. Oh well. Okay, gonna do the. Ow, that hurt me a lot. But yeah, guys, like you said, I'm gonna do the troll. If our bed doesn't get destroyed, because it seems like it. My bad. I'm sorry that it has to go down to collect items. Pretty sure I bought that for that. Yeah, cut. Red. Boys. Get him. Yeah, I was low health. Oh well. That's okay. Okay, boys. I'm gonna get some of these for my boys. These. Who the poop did that? Boom. Oh well. Good enough. So no. Oh well. Oh my. Boys, he really thinks we can beat us. We are better than him. I pretty much defended this whole thing. Actually, wait. I'm pretty sure I did. Oopsie doodles. Lemon scoodles. Okay, boys. Okay, boys. There we go, boys. Now let's get trolling. Like that. Maybe like that. Oh my. Okay, green. Phew. Boys, he doesn't see us. You think he's going for our bread, boys, but he don't got it because us the boss is here. Well, Dr. Archer, also known as us the boss, but yeah, boys. Okay. No one saw anything. Because I tried to get in, boys. Let's oh, sorry, I lost my voice. But let's see how much kills we can get. In the other videos, you might have saw my kills. So go check my other videos out. Okay. Oh, boys, oh, boys, oh, boys, oh, boys. I can't believe I'm running like this. No, please! No! For some reason, I think that's okay. I freaking bet. And boys, I'm pretty sure there goes our bed. Okay, no. We're gonna survive. Yeah. Yes. Okay, boys. Ooh. Yellow is probably, yep. Of course they are. What bums they are. They're like the worst PvPers, I think, in history. No, please! Okay, let's go on to the next one. I'll see you guys there. Okay, boys, hopefully we can, sort of like, take it, do some stuff, and, yeah, oh, shoot. If you haven't got this update, oh well, just keep on checking out my channels. Like, yeah, everyone probably got them. Okay, need some protein. Pretty good. The same one I just played on. Can anyone see me? No, I can't see me. No, I can't see me. No, I can see me. No, I can see me. Okay, boys. Darkest spot. Oops. Rain. King. A81. Okay, boys. This is for Preston. Hopefully we win a round. For my boy pdog. Sadly he's not watching. Hopefully he is, like just right now. If he isn't, oh well. Cause my man pdog, I watch him every day. No joke. I've put comments in Lachlan's plays Bed Wars. I said, Preston is better than you, but you are still good because he was good, but not better than Preston. No! Oh. Ha! Me. Oh. No. Oh. Yeah, I did that last time. Sorry about that. Yeah, I guess I'll do it. Slash. Slash chat. Oh, there we go. Okay, now you're gonna do glass, Absolutely fine with me. Is there glass? Oh, yeah. I've never saw green glass before. Well, I guess I have now. Otherwise, I've never. Ooh, boys, I got 20. Hopefully she's planning it that way. Otherwise, I just... Oh, boys, just no.
Hey guys, it's Rail Gaming. Hi.
What? Okay, boys. Rail Gaming is here, but yeah. He is watching Preston Plays. Like I said, pretty good. pdog, I will tell you in the chat if you do watch this. I will tell you who won because I gotta end the video soon. pdog, this is videos for you, and I'll see if I won or didn't. Yeah. Oh shoot. Okay. I'm not gonna end it just yet, but it's getting time. I wouldn't end it on you right now. That's just mean, boy, mean. Oh! Again, no one saw anything. Nothing. Nothing happened. Everyone saw nothing, okay? I never went to mid yet. Well, I guess I have there. Okay, boys. Some reason I don't wanna destroy a bed. What the? Noob. Riley, I'm not red.
Don't kill him.
Riley, Miley.
Don't kill him.
That can be his nickname, boys. Should I? Guys, should I? I can't believe no. Oh, thanks. Like, pass me all your stuff because you're gonna die anyways.
Don't
Me.
kill him.
Hey. No, man. Come back, Hey. I'm gonna share my image with him. Oh, don't go from my basement. Don't. Hey. No. Oh. I killed him. Boys, I killed him.
You have to end the video now.
Yeah, boys, I gotta end this video. I'll see you tomorrow. Let's stay 4 more seconds. 3,